प्रैक्टिस बताई थी वो मैं रेगुलर कर रही हूँ, दिन में एक बार ही नहीं, 4-4, 5-5 बार, whenever I get time. And it is so amazing कि I'm feeling so energetic and I feel कि my negativity is going out day by day. It's so nice, so nice. And I take very sound sleep after doing this.
Yeah,
thank you very
much. So that's the power of the Ho'oponopono chanting. Since I told you from the beginning of the session, I think in the other sessions also I keep repeating that even if you're doing the basic Ho'oponopono also, you are bound to get results if you are continuing. If you are maintaining the consistency, you will see results. And it's wonderful to see two people in our session today share your experience regarding the release of your unwanted energies. It is so inspiring for others also, because knowingly or unknowingly probably you would have been carrying all those unwanted energies which you were able to release during the session. So this is wonderful. Keep the practice on. I'm sure you will see much more results as you start doing it. And once you master it, I think you would be able to see much more bigger results in your life. And same goes to do you have anything to share with any of us, or any questions?
No questions, but I have got so इतने अच्छे रिजल्ट मुझे मिले हैं कि मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकती. मतलब it was just a miracle. Yes.
तो आपको तो एक दो बताना ही पड़ेगा अभी.
मतलब जिनके साथ मैं कितनी देर से कोशिश कर रही थी कि मेरे साथ उनकी बहुत अच्छी बॉन्डिंग हुए, वो पता नहीं 15 दिन में कैसे हुआ, क्या रिजल्ट्स मिले, मैं समझ नहीं पाई इस बात को. मतलब दे कॉल्ड मी एंड दे मतलब मैंने उनको एक तरह से मन में सोच के उनके साथ ये सब किया और मुझे उनकी तरफ से ही बड़े अच्छे रिस्पॉन्सेस मिले. मतलब इट वाज अ मिरेकल. मैं कितने सालों से कोशिश कर रही थी लेकिन कुछ नहीं हो रहा था. इतना अच्छा लगा मुझे उसके.
आपने तो पूरे रिलेशनशिप का ब्लॉक ही मतलब ओवरकम कर लिया है.
यस. मैंने आपसे कहा भी था कि मेरा रिलेशनशिप का थोड़ा सा था और वो भी कुछ ऐसा नहीं, कुछ कोई मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग भी नहीं थी, पर पता नहीं क्या हुआ था, अपने आप ही ब्लॉक हो गया जैसे. लेकिन ये करने के बाद मैंने उनको अज्यूम करके उनके बॉन्डिंग की और वो अपने आप ही जैसे पता नहीं सब कुछ अपने आप ही होता है, कुछ भी नहीं करने की कोशिश करी. इट वाज जस्ट अ मिरेकल. मैंने सोमो से भी ये चीज शेयर की है.
हाँ, वो बोल रहे थे आज कि आपने काफी कुछ शेयर किया है. बट दिस इज अमेजिंग. मतलब इसलिए हम लोग जब बोलते हैं ना कि maybe I'll talk in English also because few will not be able to read.
All right.
Otherwise, so when we say that Dr. Newton has also treated a lot of patients, he's the person who has actually covered hope. No.
Yes.
So he also was sitting next to the patients while he was away from the patients he have treated. So Manjuji has also, have actually overcome all the relationship difficulties which she had in her life with few people. So she is saying she just thought about those people and she had chanted without having any expectation, and the miracle happened that now the relationships are back on track and things are all normal.
Yes,
which were not there for quite some time.
Yeah.
Great. So these are
just a second more. Manjuji, can you remember that you shared this story with when we were attending Kiran sir's session?
Yes.
And that time I told you what to do.
Yes. I remember.
Yeah?
I remember that.
Yes. So see, the result has already been given to you. Great.
I'm so thankful to Kiranji and you also. Really, I'm so thankful, so grateful.
Thank you for being a part of this group. We are very thankful to you as well.
I was stuck somewhere. I just came and I started this कि मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए तो आपसे बात करूं.
Yeah, you messaged me. I got it. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much once again, both of you. So I'm so thankful to you.
Most welcome, and you are also inspiring so many people.
Yeah.
So now people will follow your footsteps, because if you were able to overcome relationship difficulties, now I'm sure a lot of people will have that courage to do it, because relationship is one of the major areas where a lot of people have some issues at some point in time. But as I said, this prayer is so magical that it acts proportionally in all the 4 areas, like health, career, money, and relationship. So whenever you start overcoming one area, you will see it is actually the positive reflection is spreading in the other 3 areas also. That's the beauty of this prayer.
Yes.
Okay. All right, fine. So thank you once again for all of you. I know